Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss S7 revision for the chapter Trigonometry class 10. If you didn't watch my previous videos of S7 revision, please check the link in the description and comment box. The first question, where they will give one right angled triangle with all the three sides and they will ask us to find out either sine theta or cos theta or tan theta or remaining three ratios. So let us check this question. Sides are given as 3, 4 and 5 units. Then he is asking us to find out the sine theta. Sine theta equals to opposite side to theta divided by hypotenuse. So if we observe this clearly, for this theta, opposite is 3 divided by hypotenuse, longest side in the right angle triangle, 5. So the value of sine theta is 3 divided by 5. Next, second type of question, where instead of 3 measurements they will give any 2 sides of the triangle and we need to find out the third side of the triangle by using Pythagoras theorem. Then we will find out what he is asking. So here one side is given as 6 units and second side is given as 10 units and the third side we need to find out. So the third side we don't know, I am taking it as some x. So what exactly Pythagoras theorem says? Hypotenuse square equals to base square plus height square, or else a side 1 square plus side 2 square, whatever you call it as. Hypotenuse is given as 10, so 10 square equals to base given as 6, so 6 square plus height is unknown, so x I am keeping. 10 square 100 equals to 6 square 36 plus x square as it is. Now taking 36 to the left side, plus 36 will become minus 36. So we will get 100 minus 36 equals to x square. 100 minus 36, 64 equals to x square. X square is 64, then what will be the x value? It is plus or minus 8. But here we are speaking completely about the side of a triangle. Side, it won't be in negative, so we will avoid the negative one completely. So our value will be 8 units. So now I got the x value as 8. Here in the figure, x is nothing but height of the triangle, that is 8 units. Then in the question as usual, he is asking about the tan theta, right? So what is tan theta? Opposite by adjacent. For theta, opposite is x, that is nothing but 8 units, divided by, for theta adjacent is 6 units. 8 divided by 6 is the value. So if you do cancellation, 2 3s are and 2 4s are. So our final answer will be 4 divided by 3. Next, in the first and second question, they gave figures and we did something whatever he is asking. But in this case, he won't give the figures. We need to draw the figure and we need to substitute the values for the figure correctly. Then after we need to find out. Let us check. If sine theta equals to 2 by 7, then find the value of cos theta. So first of all, let me draw the right angle triangle so that in every step it is very easy to find out whatever we want. So this I am taking as theta. Now in the question he gives sine theta value, right? So sine theta is nothing but opposite divided by hypotenuse. Sine theta equals to opposite side to theta divided by hypotenuse, that is nothing but 2 by 7 given in the question itself. So now this is theta, so for theta this will become opposite, so that opposite is 2 units and always the longest side is the hypotenuse, so this is the 7 units. Now if we observe this right angle triangle clearly, here we have 2 units or 2 sides, 2 and 7. Then the third side is missing, right? The third side I am taking it as some x. Now again by using the Pythagoras theorem, we need to find out the third side. So what Pythagoras theorem says? Hypotenuse square equals to base square plus height square. Hypotenuse is given as 7, so 7 square equals to base x unknown number plus height 2 square. 7 square 49 is equals to x square plus 2 square is 4. Let us take this plus 4 to the left side, plus 4. If you take another side, it becomes minus 4. 49 minus 4 is equals to x square, then 45 equals to x square. Normally whenever we will get a x square, we will check whether it is a perfect square or not. Here 45 is not a perfect square because before 45 we have 6 is a 36, 36 is a perfect square, and after 45 7 7 is a 49, 49 is a perfect square. So in between 36 and 49 whatever the numbers will come, those all are not perfect squares at all. So here 45 is not a perfect square. Then what we need to do in this kind of cases then? So just simply write x is equals to under root 45. Here also we can write x value as plus or minus under root 45, but the thing is that we are worrying about the side of a triangle. So side of a triangle, it won't be in negatives. So that is the reason we will concentrate only on the positive number. So x is equals to root 45. Let us write that x equals to here root 45. Now, in the question, he is asking us to find out the cos theta value, right? So, cos theta is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. So, cos theta equals to, for theta, adjacent is root 45 and hypotenuse is 7. So, our answer will be root 45 by 7. Next, question number 4. If phi sin theta equals to 4, then find the value of cot theta. Now first I will take this phi to the right side. So I will get sin theta equals to 4 by 5. Now for this value sin theta equal to 4 by 5, I will draw the right angle triangle. Here I am taking theta. Sin theta opposite by hypotenuse. So for theta opposite is 4 and hypotenuse is 5. Now again by using the Pythagoras theorem we need to find out the third side. So Pythagoras theorem says hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus height square. Hypotenuse is given as 5. So 5 square equals to, base is missing, right? So I am taking as some x. X square plus height square is 4 square. 5 square 25 equals to x square plus 4 square 16. Taking plus 16 to the left side, then it becomes minus 16. 25 minus 16 is equals to x square. 25 minus 16, 9 equals to x square. X square is 9. Then what about x value? It is plus or minus 3. But minus 3 won't exist. So I am writing it as plus 3 units. So x value I got it as 3. That is nothing but base of this triangle. Then what exactly is asking in the question? He is asking to find out the cot theta value. So cot theta. What is cot theta? Adjacent divided by opposite. So for theta, adjacent is 3 divided by opposite is 4. So the cot theta value is 3 by 4. Coming to the next one. In all the previous questions, we did just sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, whatever you want, only a single term. But in this case, I made it little complex, that is 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. So more than one terms are there and that too division also there. So let us check how to simplify. The process is as usual, but the only thing is that we will start with the calculation part. So let us check it. If cot theta equals to 6 by 8 is given, so that's why I am taking one right angle triangle, because in the question itself figure is not there. So if figure is there means everything will be easy for us. Okay, cot theta. What is cot theta? Adjacent divided by opposite. So for theta, adjacent is 6, opposite is 8. Now again by using the Pythagoras theorem, we need to find out this hypotenuse. So here hypotenuse is missing, that I am taking as x. What is Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus height square. Here hypotenuse is not given. So base is given as 6 square plus height is 8 square. 6 square, 6 6 are 36 plus 8 square, 8 8 are 64. 36 plus 64, 100. Hypotenuse square is 100. Then what about the hypotenuse? 10 units. So hypotenuse we got it as 10. Now let us find out what he is asking exactly the question. That is 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. 1 plus sin theta whole divided by cos theta. 1 plus sin theta opposite by hypotenuse. Here for theta, the opposite is 8 and hypotenuse is 10. So that will be 8 divided by 10. Whole divided by cos theta. Cos is nothing but adjacent by hypotenuse. So here adjacent is 6 and hypotenuse is 10. So 6 divided by 10. Here you can check one thing clearly. 8 by 10 and 6 by 10 both are not in the standard form. Nothing but simplification or cancellation is possible. So whether you will do cancellation now only or at the last step, it is up to you. There is no worries. In both the cases also you will get the same answer. Now I don't want to make it more mess, so that's why I'm not at all doing cancellation now. At the final stage only, if it is possible, I will do the cancellation. This one I am writing it as 1 by 1. Now observe only the numerator part, 1 by 1 plus 8 by 10. This part only you observe now. Both the denominators are different, so if the denominators are different means we will do cross multiplication. 1 tens are 10 plus 1 eights are 8 divided by 1 tens are 10 divided by 6 by 10 as it is. 10 plus 8, 18 divided by 10 divided by 6 by 10 equals to. Write this numerical part as it is, 18 by 10. Keep into symbol. This total denominator, write the reciprocal. 6 by 10 reciprocal is 10 by 6. Here 10 we can cancel. 3 2s are 3, 6 are 2, 1s are 2, 3s are. So our final answer is 3. Here you can cancel 10 also, but sometimes some students are doing mistakes, so that's why I'm not at all saying like that. Do cancellation. That is the reason I wrote this extra step, because sometimes we will do some kind of mistake. I will say what it is exactly. For example, if it is like this something, in hurry what we will think is 10 common, cancel, we will do it. So if you do like this means it is going to be a big problem. So that is the reason. First write the numerical part as it is, 8 by 10 into total denominator, you write the reciprocal, 7 by 10. 8 7s are 56 by 10 10s are 100. See how much difference is there. First we got 8 by 7 and here 56 by 100. Both are completely different to each other. So that is the reason I am not saying to do cancellation like that only. Of course that is also correct, there is no doubt. Evaluate the value of sine 45 degrees plus cos 60 degrees. Sine 45 1 by root 2 plus cos 60 1 by 2. Here again both the denominators are different, so we need to do cross multiplication, right? 1 2s are 2 plus 1 into root 2 divided by root 2 into 2 root 2. Next thing, always we will prefer a rational number only in the denominator, but here root 2 is there in the denominator, so I don't want any irrational number in the denominator. So that's why I total this one I am going to multiply and divide by root 2 again. So let us check what will happen then. 2 times root 2, 2 root 2 plus root 2 into root 2 divided by denominator 2 as it is, root 2 into root 2 again. So we will get the answer finally as 2 root 2 plus 2 divided by 2 2s are 4. Next, in triangle XYZ, right angle is at Y. So the figure is not given, so let us draw the right angle triangle. He clearly mentioned in the question that right angle is at angle Y. So this is Y. Then he is naming it the triangle as XYZ, right? So I am keeping here X and I am keeping here Y, Z. So if you replace X to Z, Z to X also, there is no problem at all. Next, YZ value is given as small x. So YZ is given as X. XZ is given as 2x, hypotenuse is given as 2x. Then he is asking to find out angle YXZ, this one, and angle YZX, this angle. So he is asking us to find out these two angles. So let us check how to find it out there. Now, first I am finding this angle now. For this angle, this x will become opposite and this 2x will become hypotenuse, because of that is the only longest side we will be having. So opposite and hypotenuse. For opposite and hypotenuse, which trigonometric ratio we will use? Opposite side to theta divided by hypotenuse, that is sine theta. So sine I'm finding for angle x, so I'm writing angle x here. Sine x is equals to opposite to angle x divided by hypotenuse, which is equals to, for x opposite is small x divided by hypotenuse is 2x. Here x will get cancelled, then v remains with 1 by 2. Now if I write this here, sine x is equals to 1 by 2. Sine x is equals to 1 by 2. In sine, which angle is 1 by 2? That is 30 degrees. So x is equals to 30 degrees. This x also can be written as angle, whatever they gave in the question itself, that is yxz. Angle yxz is equals to 30 degrees. Next, now I am concentrating to find out this angle. That is nothing but z, right? Now for this z angle, this will become adjacent and this will become hypotenuse. Adjacent and hypotenuse, that is nothing but cos. So cos z is equals to, adjacent is x and hypotenuse is 2x. Here again x will get cancelled, then v remains with the cos z is equals to 1 by 2. Again, in cos, which angle is 1 by 2? That is 60 degrees. So z is equals to 60 degrees. The same z alphabet can be replaced with angle yzx. If sine of a minus b equals to 1 by 2 and cos of a plus b equals to 1 by 2, then find a and b values. Now, the first equation is given as sine of a minus b equals to half. In sine, which angle is 1 by 2? That is 30 degrees, right? So, a minus b value is 30 degrees. So that in the place of this a minus b, if I keep 30, sine 30 is 1 by 2. Next, coming to the second equation, that is cos of a plus b equals to 1 by 2. In cos, which angle is 1 by 2? That is 60 degrees. So a plus b equals to 60 degrees. Now these two equations, I will do simplification, I mean addition. A plus a, 2a minus b plus b cancel, 30 plus 60, 90. 2a equals to 90, I will take 2 to the right side. So a equals to 90 by 2, which is equals to 45 degrees. A value, I got it as 45 degrees. Now this a value, we need to substitute either in this first equation or else in the second equation. It's up to us. Now I am taking the a plus b equals to 60 degrees. A plus b equals to 60 degrees. A value is 45 degrees plus b equals to 60 degrees. Taking 45 to the right side. So b equals to 60 minus 45. Then b equals to 15 degrees. So angle A we got it as 45 degrees and angle B we got it as 15 degrees. Next. If cos 7a equals to sine of a minus 6, then find a value. To compare the angles of left side and right side, we need to make sure that the trigonometric ratios are also same. Cos is towards the left side and sine is towards the right side. So both are not same. So our first duty is to making those trigonometric ratios same without affecting the total value of the given question. Cos theta can be written as sine of 90 minus theta. So the same way sine theta can be written as cos of 90 minus theta. So the same way cos 7a can be written as sine of 90 minus 7a. Just in the place of theta, I am writing 7a. Theta, 7a. That's it. This is formula actually. Cos theta equals to sine of 90 minus theta is formula itself. So I am not doing anything else. Now, cos 7a can be replaced with sine of 90 minus 7a equals to right side part I am writing as it is. So now if we observe the left side part as well as right side part, here also the ratio is sine only, here also trigonometric ratio is sine only. So both the sides we have sine, so then we can compare the angles. By comparison, 90 minus 7a equals to a minus 6. I will take this minus 6 to the left side and minus 7a to the right side. So 90 as it is minus 6 will become plus 6 is equals to a, as it is minus 7a will become plus 7a. 90 plus 6, 96 equals to a plus 7a, 8, taking 8 to the right side, sorry left side, 96 divided by 8 is equals to a. Then a value is 12 degrees, or else simply 12. Next, if a comma b comma c are interior angles of triangle ABC, then show that sine of b plus c by 2 equals to cos a by 2. In the question, he clearly mentioned that ABC are interior angles of a triangle. So what is the logic here we get? Sum of all the angles in a triangle equals to 180 degrees. So I am writing it as a plus b plus c, angle a plus angle b plus angle c equals to 180 degrees, because sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. Okay, now coming to the next line, we want sine of b plus c by 2, right? And b and c alphabets are left side and alphabet a is left side, right? So that's why I am taking this angle a to the right side first. So what we will get then, b plus c equals to 180 plus a will become minus a. Still we want by 2 also. So for this total equation I am doing by 2. Then we will get b plus c by 2 equals to 180 minus a by 2. Left side part I am not touching, I am just keeping as it is, b plus c by 2. That is equals to, here 180 minus a divided by 2 can be written as 180 by 2 minus a by 2. Left side part b plus c by 2 as it is, that is equals to 180 by 2 is 90 minus a by 2. Now if we move back to the question, here in the question I want sine to the left side, so that's why I am applying sine both the sides. Sine of b plus c by 2 equals to sine of 90 minus a by 2. Left side part as it is, sine of b plus c by 2 equals to right side, which formula we have? Sine of 90 minus a by 2 is in the form of sine of 90 minus theta. What is sine of 90 minus theta? Cos theta. So sine of 90 minus a by 2 can be written as cos a by 2. Hence proved. Next question is, show that cot theta plus tan theta equals to sec theta into cosec theta. Cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta, plus tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Here both the denominators are different, so we will do cross multiplication. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, plus sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta, whole divided by sin theta into cos theta, sin theta cos theta. If you observe the numerator clearly, cos square theta plus sin square theta, or else sin square theta plus cos square theta, right? So we have one identity, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1 divided by denominator I am writing separate, sorry, as it is, sin theta cos theta. Now I will separate the total one. 1 by sin theta cos theta can be written as 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. What is 1 by sin theta value? Cosec theta into 1 by cos theta value? Sec theta. So our final answer is cosec theta into sec theta. That is only what we exactly need to show. Next, show that tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta equals to secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. So the left side part, if we observe clearly, tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta. I wrote as it is. Now this tan square theta plus tan power 4 theta. From that I am taking tan square theta common. So we will remain with 1 plus tan square theta. Now if we move back to the identities again. First identity we have is sine square theta plus cos square theta, right? So we used that in the previous case. Then the next identity is secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1. Now take this minus tan square theta to the right side. So we will get secant square theta equals to 1 plus tan square theta. Next, for the same identity secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1, take minus tan square theta right side and bring 1 to the left side. So we will get secant square theta minus 1 equals to tan square theta. These two I derived from the secant square theta minus tan square theta equals to 1 identity. So no need to remember these two. Whenever you have exam also, this kind of question if it comes, just you can do like this and you can check it out. Now here we have tan square theta, right? So tan square theta is nothing but secant square theta minus 1. I will replacing secant square theta minus 1 into, here we have 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is nothing but secant square theta. So write that secant square theta here. Now let us do secant square theta into secant square theta, secant power 4 theta minus 1 into secant square theta, secant square theta. So finally hence proved. Secant power 4 theta minus secant square theta. Prove that under root 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta equals to cosec theta plus cot theta. First write the given left side part. 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta. Whenever if you have a question like this under root 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta, or else 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus sin theta, or 1 plus sin theta by 1 minus sin theta, whatever it is. And what we need to do is doing the rationalizing factor. I hope everyone remember the name at least, rationalizing factor. We need to multiply and dividing with the denominator by changing the symbol. Here denominator is 1 minus cos theta, right? So we will write it as 1 plus cos theta. Of course this is not at all rationalizing factor. Just to remember you the concept, I use that word rationalizing factor. Okay. So 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta, we need to multiply and divide with 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Here minus is there means to do with plus, here plus is there means to do with minus. Now if you observe the numerator clearly, 1 plus cos theta into 1 plus cos theta is 1 plus cos theta whole square by, always whenever we are doing this process, we will get a square minus b square only in the formula. So let us check once. A minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So 1 square minus cos square theta. Numerator I am writing as it is, that is 1 plus cos theta whole square divided by 1 square is 1 minus cos square theta as it is. Again writing the numerical part as it is, 1 plus cos theta whole square divided by, what is 1 minus cos square theta? That is sin square theta. From the first identity we can get it. Now if you observe, in the numerator we have square, in the denominator also we have square, so that can be written as 1 plus cos theta by sin theta whole square. Here square will get cancelled. Then let us write what is remaining. 1 plus cos theta divided by sin theta. Now let us change this. 1 plus cos theta by sin theta can be written as 1 by sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta. 1 by sin theta cosec theta plus cos theta by sin theta cot theta. Hence proved. Coming to the next step, prove that sin A plus cosec A whole square plus cos A plus sec A whole square equals to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. The question is looking bigger, but the answer is very simple one. First, sine a plus cosec a whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square, right? So if we expand sine a plus cosec a whole square, we will get sine square a plus cosec square a plus 2 sine a cosec a. That is nothing but a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? That concept. Plus cos a plus sec a whole square, that is also in the form of a plus b whole square. So if we expand it, cos square a plus sec square a plus 2 cos a secant a. Let us check how we will simplify this then. Sine square a plus cos square a, according to the first identity, sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So sine square a plus cos square is 1. Plus this cosec square a I am writing as it is cosec square a, plus this secant square a I am writing as it is secant square a, plus next here 2 sine a cosec a is there, right? I am writing that as 2 sine a as it is. Cosec can be written as 1 by sine a. Actually this sine and cosec both are reciprocals to each other, so that is the reason sine a I wrote as it is and cosec a I wrote it as 1 by sine a. Plus coming to this 2 cos a sec a, 2 as it is cos a into this secant a I am writing it as 1 by cos a. In this case also same, cos and sec both are reciprocals to each other. So now here sin a cancel, cos a cancel. Then v remains with 1 plus cosec square a plus sec square a plus 2 plus 2. 1 plus cosec square can be written as 1 plus cot square a plus secant square can be written as 1 plus tan square a plus 2 plus 2. Now 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5 6 7. So 7 plus cot square a plus tan square a. Hence proved. If cosec theta plus cot theta equals to k, then prove that cos theta equals to k square minus 1 divided by k square plus 1. To solve this problem, we will be having so many methods. Just I am explaining with one of the methods. If cosec theta plus cot theta equals to k, so write that one as the equation number 1. Cosec theta plus cot theta equals to k. Related to cosec and cot, we have one identity, right? So write that identity here. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Now if we observe this clearly, cosec square theta minus cot square theta, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is in the form of a square minus b square. What is the formula for a square minus b square then? A plus b into a minus b. So the same way cosec square theta minus cot square theta also can be written as cosec theta plus cot theta into cosec theta minus cot theta equal to 1 as it is. Cosec theta plus cot theta value is given as k in the question itself. So cosec theta plus cot theta I am substituting k. This remaining all as it is I am writing cosec theta minus cot theta, that is equals to 1. Taking k to the right side, so here it is multiplication. If we take another side, it becomes division. Cosec theta minus cot theta equals to 1 by k. Let us take this as the equation number 2. Equation number 1 is cosec theta plus cot theta equals to k, and equation number 2 is cosec theta minus cot theta equals to 1 by k. I am adding equation 1 and equation 2. That is cosec theta plus cot theta equals to k, and second equation is cosec theta minus cot theta equals to 1 by k. These two equations I am doing addition, right? So cosec theta will become 2 times cosec theta plus cot theta minus cot theta cancel equals to k plus 1 by k. 2 cosec theta left side part as it is equals to k I am writing as k by 1. So cross multiplication, k into k square plus 1 1s are 1 by 1 into k. Bring this 2 also to the right side. So we will get cosec theta equals to k square plus 1 by 2k. Next, first equation and second equation. Now this time I will do subtraction. What is the first equation? We have cosec theta plus cot theta equals to k, and second equation is cosec theta minus cot theta equals to 1 by k. I am doing subtraction, right? So plus become minus, minus become plus, plus become minus. Cosec theta minus cosec theta cancel. Cot theta plus cot theta, 2 times cot theta, k minus 1 by k. Writing this k as k by 1. So I will get 2 cot theta equals to k into k square minus 1 divided by k. Take 2 also to the right side. So we will get cot theta equals to k square minus 1 by 2k. Now in the previous case I got cosec theta equals to k square plus 1 by 2k. Now I got cot theta equals to k square minus 1 by 2k. By using those two, let us draw the right angle triangle. Theta here I am keeping according to the first answer. Cosec theta equals to k square plus 1 by 2k. Cosec theta is nothing but hypotenuse by opposite. So k square plus 1 is hypotenuse and opposite is 2k. Next, coming to the second answer. Cot theta equals to k square minus 1 by 2k. Cot theta is nothing but adjacent by opposite. So adjacent is k square minus 1 and opposite is 2k. So adjacent is k square minus 1, opposite already there 2k. So in the right angle triangle we got all the three sides. So then we can write whatever he asks. He is asking to find out the cos theta value, right? So cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. For theta, adjacent is k square minus 1 divided by hypotenuse is k square plus 1. Hence proved.